Welcome if it's your first time here, and welcome back if you have grooved with me before. Today we have a 70s disco workout that'll have you feeling like you can get through anything. The only requirement I have is that you have fun and follow me. Let's get right to it. And 1, 2, spirit fingers. Feel free to sing along. 1, 2, whatever you need to get through your day to day. Maybe you've had a harder day. Speed it up. Use this as your chance to let it go for a little bit. All right? Step down, push. Really feel these lyrics. Repeat. Spirit fingers.
Sorry for myself, I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high and you see
1, 2, back.
I'm not that chained up little person, still in love with you. And so you felt like dropping in and just expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my loving for someone who's loving me. Going now.
Step, kick.
Walk out the door, just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore.
Other way.
Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? I will survive.
Yes, you will.
Oh, as long
Whatever
as
it
I know
is,
how
yes,
to
you will.
love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive.
Step from the top. Let's go.
Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down?
Speed it up.
I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey,
Step down, push.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. And I learned how to get along, so now you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. I don't know, for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Going now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to crush me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, nada. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. I will survive.
Take it down. Back. Keep moving. Out, melt. Melt. Again. Step, cross, back, back. Speed it up.
While he's busy loving every woman that he can.
Walk around yourself.
Say I'm gonna leave 100 times a day.
Other way.
It's said and done when you just can't break away. Oh, young folks, run free. Never be hung up like mine and me.
Step. Repeat.
Yourself be true. Don't be no fool when love really does love you. Oh, he loves you.
We go. Step down.
My time now. Just
Step
one life
down.
get by. Who wants to live it in trouble and strife?
Roll it
My
one.
mind must be free to learn all I can about me.
Other way.
I'm gonna love me for the rest of my days. Encourage the babies every time they say
Roll it.
self-preservation is what's really going on today.
Walk around yourself.
Say I'm gonna turn loose 100 times a day.
Other way.
But how can I turn loose when I just can't break away? Oh, young heart, run free. Never be hung up like mine and me. I used to be. Oh, young heart, to yourself be true. Don't be no fool when love really does love you. Ooh, he loves you.
Shake it out. Take it down and up.
Run free.
And up.
Never be hung up
Speed
like
it up.
mine and me. I used to be. Oh,
Last time.
young heart, to yourself be true. Don't be no fool when love really does love you. Ooh, he loves you. Oh, young heart,
I hope
free.
that this helps put some sunshine in your day. Help encourage you that you can get through anything, all right? No matter the day, the week, the month you've had, it's all right. Step. I needed this today too. If you did that, be proud of yourself, and I will see you next time. Peace.